teacher. A teacher who inspired you to go home every day and try to learn something more about what you did in class, and wonder what you would do the next time you entered the classroom. My name is Savannah Roper, and I'm a 7th grader on the Clydesdales team at Ocoee Middle School. The teacher who inspires me in this way is Mr. Cutton. Mr. Cutton is an amazing teacher. In class, he debates with us about world happenings, shares with us about his travels, and does fun activities with us. One of the debates that we've had so far this year was about Syria using chemical weapons on its own people. He said that the UN was going to take its chemical weapons. He told us how the United States has used chemical weapons in the past, and how babies in other countries are still growing up with deformities. Mr. Cutton also told us how physical strength is not everything, that countries with a lot of military power are not necessarily the most powerful. A lot of people in my class disagreed with that statement. He asked us if anybody thought if Martin Luther King Jr. was weak. He didn't fight with violence, but he fought with something more powerful, and his cause prevailed. That debate changed my worldview. Mr. Cutton shared with us about his journey of the Camino de Santiago. Camino de Santiago means the way of St. James in Spanish. It was an amazing journey. He started in Jean Pied de Port and went all the way to the ocean. It was an amazing journey. He showed us some of the videos and photographs that he took while he was on the trails and in the pilgrimages. Over the summer, Mr. Cutton was also a raft guide here at the Ocoee. One of the fun activities we have done in Mr. Cutton's room so far this year was we got to go in the freezer in the cafeteria. It was very cold. The reason we went into the freezer was we had been studying a plane that crashed into some South American mountains, and yeah, so Mr. Cutton just so conveniently happened to have his cell phone, and we so happened to have our textbooks. We found the latitude and longitude of our location and called somebody. We gave them our coordinates, and they rescued us. It was very fun. Everybody that was in the class that got to do it enjoyed it a ton. I believe that Mr. Cutton is an amazing teacher. He has taught us so many things, and he has been so many places. He is a wonderful teacher.